Hello, you are welcome to a special topic: organic vaccination and immunity boosting program for your poultry birds. Are you a poultry farmer and you want an organic chart for your poultry birds? Relax in this particular video and watch till the end. Remember, this is an organic vaccination program. You don't need to skip anyone at all. Make sure you follow this video systematically till the end. These herbal remedies will give you full immune boosting for your poultry birds from beginning to end, most especially those of you that doesn't have money for our Eco Bio Booster. With the Eco Bio Booster, you have already fortified immune boosting organic substance from day 1 till maturity. With Eco Bio Booster, you start with their birds from day 1. Start giving it to them based on the dosages and everything as stipulated on the leaflets of the Eco Bio Booster till maturity, till you sell your chicken. Give it to them on daily basis. Put it inside their water, in every water they will drink. That is the best way to go with Eco Bio Booster. Let me repeat myself. If you are using our Eco Bio Booster as your organic vaccination program and immune boosting program for your poultry and livestock animals, make sure you are adding it in their water on daily basis. Every water they will drink, make sure you have Eco Bio Booster, the dosage for that particular stage of the birds till they are matured. But this is for those that cannot afford it or those that want to switch over to organic vaccination program. 1, we are using day 1. This is the first week of their life. Day 1 to day 3. Garlic water and 2 cloves. Garlic water and cloves. Garlic water. Garlic, you know what we mean by garlic? Garlic extract and clove extract. This is what you use between day 1 and day 3 of their age. Prepare the garlic, blend it into liquid form. Make sure it is in paste form. Add water, 1 liter of water, and give it to them on daily basis between day 1 and day 3. Garlic and clove, 200 gram of garlic, 200 gram of cloves between day 1 and day 3. That is what you do. How do you prepare it? Blend them together, then add 1 liter of water, extract the juice, secure the juice in a tight container, and give it to your birds from day 1 to day 3. They will drink it. They serve as natural antibiotics and also boost the appetite to eat within the first 3 days of life. This is the first stage of their life. It will help them to eat better and more for them to grow better. That is number 1, and that is through drinking water. Between day 4 and day 7, use aloe vera juice, 5 ml per liter. 5 ml per liter. 5 ml of it per liter. How do you prepare aloe vera juice? Get aloe vera stem. You know the aloe vera stem? If you don't have it, let me show you the aloe vera stem. Get 5 of these stems, 5 of it. Wash it thoroughly, cut them into small pieces, and blend them with your mortar or blender, anyone. After blending it, add 2 liters of water. Use it to vaccinate your poultry birds between 4 to 7 days. What you do is, day 4, you add 5 ml to 1 liter of water, 10 ml to 2 liters of water. Then serve to your poultry birds between day 4 and day 7. This will improve immunity and at the same time enhance feed digestion. Then between day 7 and day 14, the next thing is ginger water. Ginger water. How do you get ginger water? Get 200 gram of ginger. Make sure you have up to 200 gram or more. Wash it thoroughly. Remember, ginger is tuber. You need to wash it very well. After washing it, blend it or pound it. If you have blender, blend it. If you have mortar and pestle, use mortar and pestle and pound it very well. After pounding it, add 1 liter of water and extract the juice. Secure the water or the juice for your poultry birds. Then give it to them 5 ml to a liter of water. This is between day 7 to day 14. This will help to fight respiratory infections and anything that has to do with cough. That is between day 7 to day 14. Then the next thing is between day 10 to day 14. Day 10 to day 14. Neem is very important for them during this period. Neem or dogoyaro, anyone they call it. I don't know what they call it in your own area. Then you give them neem juice, neem extract. Gather 500 grams of neem leaf. Wash it very well. After washing it, put it inside mortar and pestle and pound it. Or if you can't pound it, blend it. If you can't blend it, boil it with 2 liters of water. Then after boiling it, you give to your poultry birds between day 14. Please, between day 10 to day 14 in drinking water. Give them that water. It smells nice because neem has very strong antiseptic smell, aroma. It fights antiviral, it fights viral infections and coccidial infections. They are antiviral and anticoccidial. So give it to them 10 ml per liter of water between day 10 to day 14. Then the next thing is between day 14 to day 21. Bitter leaf extract. How do you get bitter leaf? You know what we call bitter leaf? The one used to cook soup. Between day 14 to day 21, here we are dealing with bitter leaf extract. I know that most of you have bitter leaf. I know also that some my fans said they don't have bitter leaf in their country. I don't know how real it is. If you don't have bitter leaf is very simple plant that you can plant within your environment and it grows well. Bitter leaf extract is what you are using between day 14 to day 21. Bitter leaf extract. How do you get that? Pluck about 300 grams of bitter leaf and wash it properly. After washing it, pound it. It foams very well because it has very strong antibacterial properties. After pounding it, add 2 liters of water and extract the main juice. The leftover is the leaf. You can still eat it. You can use it to cook soup. Then keep the water for your poultry beds. Add 10 ml of that bitter leaf extract into 1 liter of water. Serve to your poultry beds depending on the number of beds you have, and make sure you give the one they can finish within some hours. Then this will serve them between day 14 to day 21 consistently. It purifies blood and boosts disease resistance in poultry and livestock. Now every 2 weeks you give them apple cider vinegar. That's what you give them. 5 ml per liter of water after 2 weeks in drinking water. This will improve the gut health and calcium absorption. Then every month, at least once in a month, please, turmeric powder is very important for them. Turmeric powder, add it in their drinking water. How do you get the turmeric powder? If you get turmeric, the dried one, after grinding it, you can mix it in the water, about 1 teaspoon in 10 liters of water. Serve to your poultry birds, or you mix it with their feed and make sure you give it to them. It improves gut health and calcium absorption also, and at the same time strong antioxidant that prevents stress in poultry and livestock animals. So anything concerning stress, either heat stress or disease, any stress at all, will be cleared away and your birds will be always sound and healthy. Please, papaya leaf juice is the next one. At least once in a week, give them papaya leaf juice. Pawpaw leaf, wash it thoroughly, get about 5 stems of the leaf, blend it properly, including the stem also, please. Blend it and add 5 liters of water, extract the juice and keep and store it for them. Give it to them every 2 weeks. If you can give it every week, better for you. If you have enough pawpaw in your environment, please give it to them every week. If you can't give it every week, give it them every 2 weeks. This is to control endoparasites like worms and also coccidiosis naturally. It is very important for you if you want to get the best result for your poultry and livestock animal, most especially if you are into broilers. This is what you do. keep all this medication chart intact and make sure you share it to reach more poultry farmers. But if you don't have all these plants I mentioned here, just come and buy our Eco Bio Booster to give you the best result you need. You don't need to stress yourself looking for all these plants. What you do is add it to their water every day. You are giving them food, put inside their water and serve to your poultry birds. Simple. You go and rest. No more looking for all these plants, because all the plants are there. That Eco Bio Booster is made up of over 599 plants and extra. Some of them are not even found in this country. That's what we use to prepare this Eco Bio Booster, and it's purely probiotic. It is boosted. It is fully fortified to fight every infection and every diseases. You don't need any vaccination at all to give your poultry birds 24/7 protection. This is where I stop this video. Share this video to reach more poultry farmers. And if by now you're not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to the channel and make sure you join the community of this particular channel. Join the community. There are many of them are here. Many of our fans are there. Make yourself a good fan of this particular channel. This is the only way you can help us to grow this channel and help us also to help you to grow your own business. Don't always come and ask questions. If you go to a vet now, you pay consultation fee. If you go to a medical doctor, before you even see the doctor face to face, you buy card. You pay consultation fee before you even see the doctor. Some doctors charge over 20,000 naira for you to see them face to face. Not even telling them anything at all. Just to see them face to face, to sit with them. You pay over 2,000 naira consultation fee. You buy card and you make registration. You still pay transport. But this one, God have already made it possible for you. You see it on screen. And most of you will always want to ask me questions every minute. To register with our channel membership, you find it difficult. Just little token you pay on monthly basis. Very difficult for you. And you want to get the best. There's no problem. God was always there for us. Thank you. Share the video to reach more poultry farmers and subscribe to the channel. Be our channel member till the next video is uploaded. Next video is going to be on what? Bitter Cola. How Bitter Cola is going to help you in your poultry and livestock farming. See it here. I have it here. This is Bitter Cola. Watch this particular video. It's loading in the next channel. If you fail to watch this video, you are missing a lot. This is Bitter Cola for you. It's loading in the next channel. For now, I say bye.